assembly elections purun ki thom thak pon si chiti ni phai krener ke pen padopo la pen pre ni phai player ni angthek pangdakpo Jirpo Chingrum Club atum pen Independence Day amen pen kerem board kacepati ki paman
Rong thelu along 15 August pen pacheton si ninia Farman football ke pathu angdung kiti
Kardom adaba bertalong penili sami dengmir killing pi non bertang ton pen arjuponik tha
Kidam tang pai pai ni phai kret trokar ni Election Commission of India hin pen mithang asai hemalong Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar hin pen pherangkya mai kang ni pherangkya mai long Jammu and Kashmir long assembly elections ki padu japu thaksi pangdakpon bangso hut ki pangdakpon atengki kiwangji chiti ni phai krener ke barni jen ke long assembly kilik padu ponpo laben bangso kiligang thegabang ke pre ni phai plir ni pangdakpon po busi pherangkya mai long ninjipon
Elections in J&K will be held in 3 phases. So this is a shorter period. This is a much shorter period, much shorter than even the parliamentary elections, which were 5. 20th of August, just the next day of the Amarnath Yatra being complete, the 19th, would be the date of notification for the first phase. Nominations till 27th, scrutiny on the next day 28th, and date of poll will be 18th of September, and it's a Wednesday. We are also keeping that in mind, not keeping Fridays and Mondays to give a longer holiday spell. Second phase would be on 29th of August, and the statutory period of nominations and all, poll being on 25th of September, and phase 3 nomination on 5th of September, and every voting finishing on 1st of October. So counting would be on 4th of October, and everything would be over, bind up on 6th of October. We can show you the map also. It's the how the scheduling is being done. The yellow portion is first. The yellow portion would have the districts of Kishtwar, Ramban, Doda on this side, Jammu side, and Anantnag, Pulwama, Shopian, and Kulgaon in the valley. The second phase would be Gandarbal, Srinagar, Badgaon in the valley side, and on the Jammu side, Poonch, Rajouri, and Riyasi. And then the forces move up. So North Kashmir in the upper reaches, and also the Jammu and Udhampur, Samba, and the Kathua region.
Assembly kilik padoji lapen purun ki thom an paman ponpo lapen ke chengsa purun abang ke chiti ni phai krener kep adun tu abang ke chiti ni phai koi rapho lapen kijut si lake pre ni phai isyar ni pajut pon po si pherang ke amai long CEC Kumar pen pangdak pon.
There are total 90 assembly constituencies, of which 74 are general, SC are 7, and SC are 6, ST are 9, and SC constituencies are 7. ये डिलिमिटेशन के बाद रिजर्वेशंस जो प्रोवाइड किए गए उनकी कहानी है.
Jammu and Kashmir ang kangalong kadokawi Troxir Kep Assembly constituencies do laswang bong pen general ang hoy Troxi Kebra plido. ST Farman ing hoy sir Kep pen SC constituency bang Troxi anang hoy do. Jammu and Kashmir along elector sa pajong silang rampulote 87.09 lakh ando. Laswang bong so pinso voter aphay lakh plikebra plira tokbor isira pli trok lapen so arlo voters aphay lakh plikebra hini ra tokbor trok hini ando puta CEC Kumar pen pangdakpon.
अगर इलेक्टर्स के डाटा के बारे में बात करें तो J&K में टोटल 87.09 लाख इलेक्टर्स होंगे, जिसमें लगभग ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल 44.46 लाख मेल और 42.62 लाख फीमेल वोटर्स होंगे. बड़ी अच्छी स्टोरी ये भी है कि जिस तरीके से यूथ ने पिछली बार भाग लिया इलेक्शंस में, इस बार उसके बाद फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर्स भी होंगे अराउंड 3.71 lakhs और टोटल अगर वोटर्स को देखें तो 20 lakhs and above would be the youth and we want to focus on youth as ambassadors of our elections.
National Desk Report, KTV News. Ingding Troxy Kep Runner Kep India Independent Day Kitalona Long Pacheton Dunsi Jir Poaching Room Club Atum Pen Patir Piponsi Arnisa Farman Kerem Board Kachepati Kipaman Pai Pai Ni Pai Krip Porni Pen Kipang Chengpon Bang So Kachepati Along Kado Kavi Bang Thom Kep Susatum Amen Chithab Dunsi Single Pen Double Patupon Sonsi Kachepati Donatum Kit Hektik Pigadok Isi Angkung Kachepahay Ponja Pan Penangana Por Enpon Lapu patu bombang bompen angdung kiti ke patu along inut nut along kaila strong pi lapen Bikram Rabhang bong cedan ponsi ke theka cedai koya jok penang an upper end ponlo ponda Bikram Rabhang asap ke theka jok inut nut ke cepati along cepahai ponsi nong il cepalong dun Lapu bang hini mati double along Deben Teron pen Birsing Teron lapen Ujal Timung pen Raju Intiatum ang bongsi ang dung kitya long cepate ponsi Kerem board kardak hin hiratum takit hek serajok point kachipi jum heklo Lasol jok upper end ponlo tami Ujal Timung pen Raju Intiatum kit hegajok Deben Teron pen Birsing Teron apan parem detsi bang hini ke patwa long cepahai ponsi ke hayatum apan Jir Poaching Room Club maipu lalit rong hang arideng pen poho lapen nong ipa jirpon La solong chunbang si im tok bi jirab dun si nong ipajir ponlo. News report KTV News.
Kiramtang Pai Pai Ni Pai Krep Clear ni Rong Thelu along Ingdeng Troxy Kep Runner Kep India Independence Day pen Pacheton Dun pen Ninia Farman Football Kapathu Paman Pon Amloki Sports Association atum pen Chepatir Pipon Bangso Ason Ason ke Pathu ki Bipon pen Kiramtang 15 August ani Angdung Kiti Pathu Ponle Labang solong mai pu bapuram rong pilapen chunbang joyras rong pilapen klembang pu bang pietum do de sangsik gache paduk pen ajok mesian pen pachul pon Lesson si Aluhiaman pen Borjan BDC Sonaram Singnar Chitongdun Amelong Manja along Ward Commissioner Hunteron Amloki Sports Association along Advisor Bidya Singrong Piatum Chitongdun Lapen Thare Onteron Hirbang Satami Chitongdun. Ovi kimia tuma pan koson ke Charlie hin ke pathua hin aprang ke paprang dun thekjia phan abidi sore hai hui thante kangsi mesen pen mai pachun pon
Uwi king dum han labang su aning ka parung poni labang su pathek long phana tum pini tum long tum acha prang pini tum labang su labang su kedeng pon sport is on pen Uwi kimio sumadum phan kuson si awa plan permission ni ma apen thu nona kai ison soni adlong lo konani ni postu ki chu ta ta ho pu labang su komia phansi tu dagrong thulu sport is on bank ke labang su asayang ding ding pon kola loi tum long pini labang su asayang ding long ngi tong du ni tum long Ali hisar pulo hang pon ben thui le tum long tong tu ui kimi nong nang ki thang klong ui kimi tum hirbang along tamialang ni akhai lu tami la pen thu karbila me da mairong ta stand secretary la pen thu borjan yu pronong onteron tu la dali tong du manja Mat Commissioner Pinteron ini lang kami itu bahan adi nang pidun kapen tu pin radak kado kawe itu orang kilu mate am kisporation claim bangku bang benceng lok kado kawe arak anu mepini itu bahan abang su mesen hek long pen adi ni pidun pon kado kawe rong arak pantari tum churu lo
Harsingrong hang report KTV News.
Pinia Berta ke laansi kangton pon iglo. Dumithak mi Cardom.